I drink milk daily.
I drank milk yesterday.
I will drink milk tomorrow. I am drinking milk now. I have drunk milk just now. We drink milk daily.
We drank milk yesterday.
We will drink milk tomorrow. We are drinking milk now. We have drunk milk just now. You drink milk daily.
You drank milk yesterday.
You will drink milk tomorrow. You are drinking milk now. You have drunk milk just now. They drink milk daily.
They drank milk yesterday.
They will drink milk tomorrow. They are drinking milk now. They have drunk milk just now. He drinks milk daily.
He drank milk yesterday.
He will drink milk tomorrow. He is drinking milk now. He has drunk milk just now. She drinks milk daily.
She drank milk yesterday.
She will drink milk tomorrow. She is drinking milk now. She has drunk milk just now. Raju drinks milk daily.
Raju drank milk yesterday.
Raju will drink milk tomorrow. Raju is drinking milk now. Raju has drunk milk just now. We are learning